Alright, here we go. So this is the Oraimo Watch 4 Lite, and as usual I'm going to be unboxing it in this video, and then after a while of using it I'm going to be making a full review. So for this video I just want to show you guys what you'll be getting inside the box if you plan to get the wristwatch for yourself. And yeah, you can ask me questions you have concerning the watch, so that when I make the full review I can answer your questions. Alright, so let's begin with the unboxing. I seriously need to get a knife. Okay, so here we go. Just going to lift this up. Okay, so here's the watch, and I know I was wrong about the watch 2R when I talked about the dialer here, but I want to say this one should be able to control the watch, but anyways, we'll see when I start using the watch. Okay, for now let me just put this back and keep it aside. Let's see what's inside the box. So this should be the charging cable. So it's a pin charger. If you have seen my previous unboxing videos, then by now you should know what to expect. So this is a USB-A to pin, and next we should have the manual. Okay, so we have the manual, and this manual is a bit thicker than the ones I'm used to, so I'm going to go through this later. Okay, so yeah, this is everything you get inside the box. A very minimal unboxing experience, but yeah, as for the watch, I think for the first time I'm going to be turning on the watch. Like normally when I unbox stuff, you guys know that I do not turn them on, but for the first time I'll be turning on this device. So okay, so there's another protection layer here, so I'm going to remove it. I don't think this is necessary. Okay, so we have speakers over here. Let me just come down a bit. Speakers down here. The charging point is here, and power button, microphone, so you can use this one to make calls. And yeah, that's basically what you get. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay, it vibrated, and yeah, it's turning on now. Okay, so I'm going to set it up, but yeah, that's basically what you get from this watch. So if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Like I said, ask me questions you may have concerning the smartwatch, and I'll try to answer the questions in the review video that I'll be making for the watch. Alright, so I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.